Hi everyone. In the given problem statement, we are given n cross n 2D matrix representing an image. Rotate the image by 90 degrees clockwise. If you have to rotate the image in place, which means you have to modify the input 2D matrix, directly do not allocate other 2D matrix and do the rotation. So we have to do an in place variable change. So let us take, for example, let us take this matrix which is 3 cross 3. The values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, and 2, 2. The values currently that is present here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the first thing that we're going to do, right? So we can have a matrix value. Matrix of, let's say, 0 comma 2, which is at 3 place, right? We are going to assign this value, means we're going to do a replacement with matrix 2 comma 0. So in place of matrix 2 0, which is currently 3, right, we are going to assign the value of 7 out here. So in place of 3, it is going to be 7. So now let me redo the matrix again. Okay, and let me do a little bit differently. So 0 0 replacement would be done. Then it would be 1 0, 2 0. So you're doing an in place replacement. Now it would be 0 1, 1 1 will remain same, 2 1, 2 0, 1 2, and 2 2 again is remaining the same. So the diagonal values will remain same. So 1 5 9, 1 0, which is 4, and 2 0 is 7. So we are taking the value of 2 0. Then 0 1 is 2, and 2 1 is 8, and then in 2 0, sorry, it would be 0 2. So 0 2 value would be 3, 1 2 would be 6. Now if I look into the value, right, it does not look exactly the same as it is. Okay, and here, right, the value is already 9. So what we need to do, we have to take the every rows, right, and you have to do, means you have to reverse the values. So our values, right, in the last matrix would be, after reversing, let me draw the matrix in a better way. Right, so the value would be 1 4 7. After reversing, it would be 7 4 1. So 7 4 1. Similarly, 2 5 8. After reversing, the value would be 8 5 2. After the row reversing of 3 6 9, the value would be 9 6 and 3. So in this way, right, we made a transformation. So first we have done the value index changing, and then, right, we have just reversed the rows to get a 90 degree clockwise rotation. So that would be a simpler replacement that we're going to do. Now let us jump to the Python solution. So now we will have to do an in place replacement. So you cannot modify the matrix or cannot create another matrix. So here, right, let me first loop in through. So for I in range of 0 to length of our matrix, then for j in range 0 to length of our matrix, and now I want to get the width right, so I can take the length of the first row. Now what we are going to do, matrix of I and j, comma, matrix of j and I, we are going to replace it the value with, and instead of this, because I do not want to loop through the entire thing, right, I just want to loop till the ith value. So in that case, I need to be length of matrix of 0, it would be matrix of j and I and matrix of I and j. So you're doing an replacement. So for example, 1 0 value is going to get replaced to 0 1, so in that order. So for again I in range 0 to length of matrix, and now matrix of I is equal to matrix of I, and now we are going to just reverse the matrix, and I think this should work. Let me run the code. As you could see, our public test case is passed. Let me submit the code. And if I look into the time complexity, it would be big go login, something like that. It would be very, very efficient. As you could see, it is beating 100% of the submission, and our code is extremely efficient in this regard. And our memory is also pretty good. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.